A shooting stand for a white background photo of a camisole. Can adjust the width of the waist. The curved tube at the hip can adjust the bend. The extended telescopic rod can adjust the length. The shoulder is equipped with anti-slip foam shoulder straps. White wire is convenient for later image cropping. The shooting stand can be freely disassembled. Insert the wire stand into this connector. To adjust the height up and down, the interface behind the chest foam pad, where you can insert the wire. Tighten the screw and insert it into the shooting stand. The interface is eccentric design by rotating at different angles. To adjust the distance between the foam pads, the metal elbow at the hip width can be disassembled. It can be straightened or curved. 8-section extended telescopic rod, installed under the elbow, can be adjusted in length greatly. Insert the open foam tube. Install it on the side of the shooting stand. Medium-sized foam tube is installed in the middle section of the telescopic rod. Insert the small diameter foam tube and fixed with a silicone ring at the end. Foam tube. It can also be adjusted in length with the extension rod.